My name is Megan Croft. I'm the K-12 Relationship Specialist, and I'm the coordinator for our early college and EDGE programs at SUNY Morrisville. The EDGE program at Norwich is an opportunity for high school students to come to a college campus, take classes alongside our college students, and interact with college professors. It gives them a jump start on completing the degree program, but it also serves as career exploration for a lot of students as well. They're able to take courses in the general education area, but then they're also able to take some career-specific courses.
We know a lot of students are interested in business, so we want to offer those introductory classes. Criminal justice, there's a strong desire to take some writing courses. So we've really worked with our school district partners to map out the program in a way that will be appealing to students.
I didn't expect to like psychology, which was one of the courses offered. It was Introduction to Psychology and Child Development. And I got to take that, and I found I really liked that, so it helped me pick my major and find out what I wanted to do later on in my life.
I chose the early college program because it gives us a chance to get a taste of what it's going to be like in the future while attending high school at the same time.
Really seeing the classes and what I was interested in, it was really cool to learn more about that, so I had a really good foundation going into college.
It shows me what I'm going to expect and what I'm expecting almost at a higher level.
They're earning credit for the courses that they're taking that they can either use to apply towards a degree program at SUNY Morrisville, or if they choose to continue their education at a different institution after they graduate from high school, those credits are transferable.
I'm planning on going to Broome in the fall of 2019 for physical therapy, so this program helped me figure out what I wanted to do.
Not only does it give you credits before you go into college, but obviously it makes you learn time management, and if you're on the fence also about major, you could take a class like leaning towards that and figure out if that's really what you want to do or not.
Be open to all the experiences that you can. Don't be nervous, you know, you're here to better yourself and to put yourself on another level.
We really work hard with future students that will be part of the program, as well as school counselors and high school administrators, to make sure that the program is worthwhile.